Are you on the nice list or the naughty list? Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about some makeup today. So we're going to be talking about is the BH Cosmetics Naughty Palette. So I know you guys can see on my channel that I did the nice palette a while ago, but this time I felt like this one was so big and mega. I wanted to wait until around December, end of November-ish. I wanted to wait till then because I felt like this one really was very, very festive. So before I dig all the way into this beautiful, beautiful palette, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. Again, I'm gonna just start off with the packaging, guys. This guy right here, this one. So BH Cosmetics Naughty Palette, the Ho Ho Holidays. This has 30 shadows inside this palette. I want to say this one retailed 25 or 22, around that range. I'll find the price and I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. Like a sweater. It does have the naughty check on it. Let's open this, shall we? It doesn't come with a mirror though. So you open it, you just get all the naughty at the top. No mirror. Kind of a bummer for that. I was like, I swear I thought I had a mirror, but no mirror. But look at all these colors. Oh, beautiful. This guy, it gives you big squares inside of them, all 30 shades. They do give you, I believe, shimmers, mattes, and then they give you a glitter. I believe 2 glitters in here. Yeah, we have chestnut and jingle bells. So jingle bells is a gold kind of glitter. Down here is chestnuts. So it's like a pinkish kind of glitter. But the palette is very simple. Like I said, it's no mirror. I hate when they don't have mirrors. I want a mirror. The back is just regular Ho Ho Holidays. Like I said, it's a very simple, very like, oh yeah, it's Christmas time palette. I wish the packaging was a little more pop to it, but the nice one was kind of like that too. So if you guys want to get this nice festival look, I like this look. I like this one a lot. Stay tuned. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. My favorite shade is gonna have to be, actually, you guys should already know, Misbehave, that kind of olivey mustard, kind of mustard brown. You know, I love that Dijon mustard kind of color. And then also I liked, oh yeah, I didn't get to use on my eyes, but Candied Fruit. I'm gonna swatch that one for you guys. Candied Fruit, oh, and that one's really smooth. It's a really soft shimmers. These are very, very smooth and very pigmented. Of course, BH Cosmeticals, they're going to give us that. And then my matte favorite shade is going to be Rudolph. That is that first red I used. I love Rudolph. It is Fire Engine Red, bright, bright, bright. But the packaging is, I think, very simple. The little nice palette, the packaging was cuter because technically it was smaller. I really like the Naughty palette, the size of it. I feel like the shimmers are a lot smoother than the nice one, but which they're probably the same ingredients for their shadows. It's no different, just smaller and different shades, you know. I really did like that. I like that, the bigger pans. I love bigger pans. But let's get into these shades. Have you seen from my tutorial, I actually put on Spicy too, which is that gold, but I love that Dijon mustard in the background of my eye. I love it. But I end up swatching Candied Fruit, Ho Ho Ho, and Mistletoe. It's gonna be on the purple. It is Candied Fruit, the blue is Ho Ho Ho, and then Mistletoe is that green. Those shades stick out to me. I think the blue I want to use next time, especially for, you know, a midwinter look. The pigmentation in all these shadows are actually very, very nice. Then the glitters. One thing I realized, I put Jingle Bells over Spicy, that gold shimmer. This glitter is very fine. It's not heavy at all. It's quite impressive the way it feels like you swatch it too, and the way that it goes on the eye. It pretty much added that extra sparkle to my gold on my eye. And I was like, oh, I like that. It was really nice. I was like, I like that. Keep doing that. Like, it's glitter, but it's not chunky, but then it's not fine, like, you know, can fly everywhere, you know what I mean? So yeah, that glitter is so pretty. It amplified that gold. I like when it adds extra dimension instead of me having to get full glitter, you know what I mean? I believe the reds do have a difference between each other, and I really do enjoy that. So these different shimmers and colors and stuff, very pigmented. Are the colors we've seen before? Yes, we have seen these colors before. There's nothing like, oh wow, totally brand new. No, but I do like this one versus the nice palette. So with BH Cosmetics, I usually just go off of, okay, I know both are pigmented, but what am I really gonna wear, and even wear all year long? And I feel like the nice palette, I would not wear that all year long. The silver in that palette was bomb, but this one I will wear all year long. The top row, you can use that all year long. All year long, that top row. So I was like, yeah, this palette's a lot better. I think when you break this palette down, it's doing that same thing that you get 4 quads. And see that? See those 4? It's like one look right there. This layout of this palette's kind of giving me that. I believe I'm gonna have to be on the naughty list this year. This naughty palette is bomb. I like it a lot. I think it really is worth the money. The pan size, you get your bang for your buck. You really do with this big old palette. It's big, but it's worth it. And I wish it did smell like candy canes or something, you know. Give me a seasonal scent. I want that. Overall, y'all, this palette is really, really good. I would recommend people to go grab it. I see it's all up in Ulta with the whole entire collection now. Go grab it. Use your little coupons on, like I always say. And guys, again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel while you are here. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Again, which one are you on? Are you nice or are you naughty? And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.